Most people get this wrong. They assume USA Cash Now Pay Later is just another buy now, pay later app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it has become a versatile financial platform offering early wage access, installment payment options, and budgeting tools that help users manage money more effectively. Here's how it works. USA Cash Now Pay Later lets you access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This can help cover urgent bills, emergencies, or unexpected expenses without relying on high-interest credit cards. Eligible purchases can also be split into smaller payments, making it easier to stay on top of your monthly budget. The app is intuitive and easy to navigate. You can track advances, view repayment schedules, and monitor spending patterns. Push notifications help ensure payments are made on time, preventing fees, and promoting better financial habits. The downside? Overusing USA Cash Now Pay Later can get costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up in fees, so it's best used as a short-term financial aid rather than a long-term strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take advances or installment payments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications enabled for repayment reminders. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? Users with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. People with irregular income or weak repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, USA Cash Now Pay Later in 2026 is a practical and flexible tool, but only if used responsibly. Track spending, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and money tips that help you stay in control of your finances.